Right, number 4 then from paper 2 of the 2025 Advanced Higher Maths. Just a little 3-mark question for using the Euclidean algorithm to find the greatest common divisor of those. Now, that's just lots of little bits of arithmetic, and you're going to have to be really careful not to make a mistake because it just messes it all up. And then, because in the second part, you've got to use it backwards to solve that Diophantine equation. Well, there's no point being brave here and doing it by mental arithmetic. Just use your calculator because it is paper 2. So divide that in just to see if that in fact is a factor, in which case that would be the greatest common divisor. So divide that in, and it would go in 2 times with 286 left over. Right, now the next part is this, so that wasn't it. Now the next part would be, well, if something's going to divide this, it'll have to divide both of those. So 416, just repeat it with 416 and 286. How many of them go in? And there's just one, but obvious, with 130 left over. Same again. So that didn't work. So what about 286 and 130? How many times does that go in? And that goes in twice with 26 left over. You could have just done that part in your head, I suppose. So I've still not got the greatest common divisor. Well, if it divides into this, again, I'll have to divide into those two. So what about them? Does that 26 work? So divide it in, and oh, it does. Plus 0. So 26 is the answer. So it said, what's D? D was the greatest common divisor, so D is 26. And now part B, hence find integers a and b such that they solve this equation equal to D, the number you just found. Well, D was 26, so I want them to equal 26, so I'll just start from here. So what's 26 equal to? Well, it's equal to 286 minus 2, and I'll just put a wee dot for the product, lots of 130. Now I can go back up and change that 130. So that's 286 minus 2 lots of, and the 130 is 416 minus 1 lot of 286. Now I can tidy that up because I've got 1 lot of 286 there plus another 2. I've got 3 lots of 286 minus 2 lots of 416. Getting closer. Now I can change that 286. I've got 3 lots of 1118 minus 2 lots of 416 minus 2 lots of 416. You're just about there now because you've got 3 lots of 1118. So that's that part done. And then here you've got minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 lots of 416. So that's the equation, but it did say, what did it say again? It said find integers a and b. So that means that a would be 3 and the b would be a negative 8. Actually, it took quite a bit of time to get those 3 marks because of all the arithmetic.